Blessed be everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are doing a tarot reading and also an intuitive example of the tarot card here from the Arthurian Tarot from Caitlin and John Matthews. Beautiful, beautiful deck. I think I've used this deck the last 2 times when I've been doing tarot. And this is what's called Spear 8, but it's actually the 8 of Wands in other decks. So we're dealing with the 8 of Wands, but in this deck it is called Spear 8. Wands in this deck are spears. And what we see here with this card is this spear running down a stream. It looks like it's going down from a waterfall or a little waterfall, and it's running, it's going, it's moving. It's a movement card. And the standard meaning of this card is movement. It means things are moving ahead, things are happening, it's on a roll, it's moving. So that is the key word today. Whatever it is that you are doing or wanting, it's in movement, it's flowing, it has momentum. So this can mean in a positive sense that you're in flow, that things are coming to you, or things that you've put in action are moving, and so you're moving towards your goal, you're moving towards what it is that you've put forward. In the, I guess, a different sense, it can also mean that something that you've set off is in momentum, so you can't really stop it at this stage. So whether it's good or not good, it's in flow, it's in momentum, and you can't stop it right now. It's going. So it's a really simple movement that I'm getting. And the reason I'm getting that from this card is because when I looked at the card, I'm seeing the water, actually. I'm not seeing the spear. I'm seeing the water. And I'm seeing the waterfall, particularly the little bit of a waterfall down the bottom. So today I'm thinking this spear is going over the falls. You know, you can't do anything about it. There's nothing stopping it. So you just have to allow the momentum to happen, let it roll. Don't get attached to the outcome. Just let the momentum move it along, because eventually it will settle. It will settle somewhere. So just go with the flow. If you want to become a confident tarot reader, I have the Confident Tarot Reader course. There's a link in the description field below this video. There's also lots of information about it on my website, mysterywitchschool.com, under my courses tab. So take a look at that. It's a way of helping you learn to read the tarot through telling stories and realizing that the images on the cards, they tell you something about the meaning of the card. You don't necessarily need to look up the meaning in a book. It's helpful to know the meanings, but you don't have to go looking up the meaning every time you're doing a tarot reading for yourself or other people. Even when you first start, you can actually just start with your intuition and not look at the book at all if you really wanted to do that. But this course teaches you how to do both, and particularly focusing on intuition, because most people who are learning tarot will come to a tarot course already knowing a little bit about tarot cards, but just not being able to piece all the pieces together and do a reading like the Celtic Cross reading or other types of readings and feel comfortable doing them. So if you want to get comfortable doing those readings, the Confident Tarot Reader course may be for you. So link in the description field below this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I am Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.